my house. It may be a little bit echoey in here, the lighting may be off, but this is not where I usually film my videos. This is the business room. So I filmed the before and after of this room. I also filmed the like little bit in the middle, so you guys can see me transform this blank boring room into a cute office space. I just wanted to sit down and formally do an introduction into this Kmart room makeover video. I hope you guys really do enjoy it, and let's get into it. What this room used to be, it used to be like a spare room slash, I used to do like at-home workouts in here, but then I had to clear it out and put some filming equipment in here. So half the room is set up with filming equipment that I can't really show you guys, but then the other half is literally just bare with nothing. So here is what the inside of the room looks like. There's the stuff that I got from Kmart, and this is the area we're going to be doing up. I'm planning on putting a plant in this corner here, and then putting the desk here under the window, and then the nice rug. Majority of my house is like greys, different tones of grey, blacks, whites, with a pop of like silver in most of the rooms. But I recently have noticed that my style is changing when it comes to fashion and stuff like that. I feel like I'm evolving as a person, so I want my style to change as well, including my home decor and like my interior design of my house. But the problem is I don't have $1 million, so I can't do my whole house. But I thought this room would be a perfect start. I want this room to be a bit more like girly and airy and just more like boho, but not. I don't want to be too boho, but I don't want like glitz and glam. This is everything that I got from Kmart, which I'm so excited about. I got like this plant here. I got this pot, which is really nice. I got a pink rug, a really nice desk, and then some bits and bobs in here. So let's get this reno makeover, Kmart DIY going. It's gonna be a vibe.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face.
Can you see me? It's just so awkward because I'm trying to get this in frame and it looks like I've got no pants on. Weird angle, I know, but we're just gonna do it anyway. I just thought that this desk was perfect because it has that Scandi vibe. It's got the really nice white, kind of light brown cream timber, as well as white legs. I will leave the prices and everything linked down below. The rug in this room is actually from the children's section. It was $20. It's just a pink round rug. The reviews on that rug isn't the best. I've heard some people complain about it, but it hasn't done anything wrong to me, so I'm not gonna hate on it. This chair I bought from Kmart literally 2 or 3 years ago. They don't have this exact one in stock anymore, but they do have one that's similar. This over here is also from Kmart. This is just a little like cardboard kind of drawer unit. This isn't there at the moment anymore, but they do have plastic ones that look similar. I got this a while ago. I also picked up just a clear white bin. I was gonna get the black one, but I thought the black one just wasn't gonna go in this room. I just wanted this room not to have any black in it. Like I wanted a non-black light. Like I just didn't want it, I wanted it to be bright and light and girly, somewhere comfortable to come and sit and do all my editing and stuff like that. I also grabbed these books right here. This one has like leaves on it and it says notes. It's like a light pink. And then this is like a dusty pink notebook, which I thought would go super, super cute with the vibe. As well as this plant, which is one of my favorite things in this entire room. It's got a little white pot with a little face on it. It's so zen, may I just add. And then it's got some greenery. Obviously this is a fake plant. What I love the most about this greenery is it's got that like kind of pinky red kind of tone in the leaf, which ties in with the rest of the pink in the room. I also got this gold leaf. I believe that this was around $4. My sister-in-law was with me shopping when I was shopping for this room, and she actually picked this out, and I actually really like that I got it. Usually I'm a silver girl and not so much a rose gold or a gold girl. I feel like this ties in really nicely with the room. And then I've got my trusty iPad, which isn't from Kmart, but the case is. I featured it in my last Kmart haul. This plant was, I want to say $39, something around that. And I have another one of these in my house as well, something a little bit similar. But I just wanted some greenery here, and I paired it with this pot, which I absolutely love. It's a white kind of, what do you want to say? Stone pot, but it has timber on the bottom, and I just thought it tied in with the desk, tied in with this chair. It just went with everything that I wanted. Is this even, I feel like this is crooked. If it is, I apologise. And it just sits in that corner like that and looks like an absolute vibe, if I do say so myself. Showing off this room isn't easy because it's in a really tight area and I can't really show you guys what's like on the other wall. But I just absolutely love this area, and I pretty much did this whole room under $150. Which I just think is fabulous, guys, fabulous. If you guys really did enjoy it, if you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Helps me out so much. I'm gonna go and film another Kmart haul right now because this blazer bitch, you know where it's from. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.